We are starting to solve the first questions of exercise 3.4, which is on page number 47 in new additional mathematics book. First question says 5 power x is equals to 9. We need to solve it for x. We take LG on both sides, so LG 5 power x is equals to LG 9. X will come down, so we will have x times LG 5 equals to LG 9. If we need the value of x, we divide LG5 on both sides. So LG9 divided by LG5 is equals to 0.95 divided by 0.69, and we get the value 1.365. The similar way, we have 1.6 to power x equals to 21. We take LG on both sides. LG is the common logarithm with base 10. So we take log on both sides. That converts this exponential into x times LG 1.6 equals to LG 21. We divide LG 1.6 on both sides. We get x equals to LG 21 divided by LG 1.6, the value of which becomes 6.477. We do the same thing with this equation. It's a bit different. It has 2 multiplied with 3 power x. So we need to separate 3 power x first. So we divide 2 on both sides. 3 power x becomes equal to 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5. So 3 power x is equals to 2.5. We take LG on both sides. LG 3 power x is equals to LG 2.5. That means x times LG 3 is equals to LG 2.5. X becomes equal to LG 2.5 divided by LG 3, which is 0.834. Question number 4 is pretty much same. It has a bit different structure, so I wanted to discuss it here. It has the equation 4 minus 7 power 2x equals to 1. We need to reshuffle it in order to get the unknown on one side and the known parts on the second. So we bring 7 power 2x to the right, or we subtract 7 power 2x on both sides, or add it on both sides, whatever suits you, and we bring 1 to the left. So 7 power x becomes equal to 3. Now we have to follow the same drill. We apply LG on both sides, and that becomes LG3 divided by LG7, which is 0.56.